Out of all the letter sounds from letter A till letter Z, two letter sounds are a little bit confusing for many of us. And these two letter sounds are the sound of letter A and the sound of letter E. So, I have used a tip in my video to explain the difference between these two sounds, which I would like to recapitulate once again. So, to teach these two sounds, you have to take an apple and an egg. So, when we speak the sound of letter A, our mouth will open little bigger. Apple. Eating an apple. Apple. And while speaking the sound of letter E, our mouth will open little bit smaller. Egg. Eating an egg, that too horizontally, not vertically. Egg.